Welcome to Transsoft, which is a product of Nishant Infosys, providing a comprehensive end-to-end ERP solution for transporters and logistics companies. Experience the power of Transsoft's comprehensive dashboard, providing seamless access to a wide range of software features. The dashboard is the single point of access for various software features. These options include consignment, truck engage, loading, unloading, gate pass, balance, local challan, inquiry, bills, service bills, receipts, and payments. This section helps track and manage active consignments. New consignments can be added, and a C-note, consignment note, number can be generated as an identifier for each consignment. This section facilitates the management of vehicles involved in delivering consignments. It also allows for the addition of more cars for this purpose. This section allows us to generate a challan for each consignment. Additionally, we can keep track of the consignments for which these challans have been generated. This section is responsible for accurately tracking all vehicles that have been or are scheduled to be unloaded, based on the C-note number for each consignment. It also promptly provides the arrival details of vehicles that have completed their assigned deliveries. This section is responsible for generating gate passes for vehicles, which must be presented when trucks enter the godowns to deliver consignments. In this section, we are responsible for tracking and promptly settling any outstanding vehicle balances, as well as adding new vehicle dues. This section is used to generate local challans for specific C-note numbers and to keep track of the consignments for which local challans have already been generated. This section enables us to obtain consignment details using the local challan number, C-note number, vehicle, or party mark. This section is designed to efficiently generate consignment receipts, track them, and create a consolidated receipt and multi-gate pass for a specific C-note. This section helps us keep track of the payments that are made to a party and also facilitates us to add a new payment. To obtain further details, please consider reaching out to the show displayed on the screen. Please ensure to like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to receive the latest updates from Transsoft. Thank you for your support.